Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to add photos and images in Google Docs. So it's really simple. To start with, navigate to your Google Docs account. Then you're going to open up the document where you want to insert the image. So I like to click into the space where I want the image to go. And then from there, you're going to click on Insert in the top toolbar. Scroll down and the top one should be image. And you have a few options here. So you can upload an image from or photo from your computer. You can search the web or insert something from Drive, Photos, a URL, or even take a picture. So I'm going to upload from my computer, then that will open up your options. So I'm going to go to my downloads and see if I can find an image to put in. So I'm going to put this cute little puppy image in that I've got. Click on open and you can see the photo is inserted into the document. So you have a few options to edit the image here. So just click on the image and at the bottom you can see you have different options here. So what you can do is, well, you can reduce or increase the size of the image, and then you can get like text to wrap around the image, things like that. And you also have other options to adjust the image by clicking on adjustments, and you can make adjustments to the opacity, brightness, contrast, things like that. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.